Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete or uninstall a game in Steam. So if you're looking for how you can delete a game in Steam 2023, then you are at right place. So these are the game I'm right now I am playing, so I'm going to delete some of the games from here. So first I am going to delete this one. Simply I have to select this game and then right click on it, and then you will see this option manage. Simple, you will see this option remove from account, uninstall or anything. So I'm going to just uninstall this game that I am, because I'm not going to play this game. So I'm just going to click on uninstall. So it will take few seconds and then this game will be look like this install. If you want to remove it from your account, simply click again and then click on remove from account. Click on again remove. So this game will be removed from here. Okay, uh, when you cross the stem and again come back here, you will see that this game will be deleted after sometimes. So the next game I'm going to delete, which this is Blood Hunt. So I'm just going to click here and click manage and then click on uninstall. Click on yes, and this game is also uninstalled. As you can see, the previous game is removed from the account. So I'm just going to remove this game as well. So in this way you can remove account games from your Steam account. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.